In 32 years of locksmithing, I've had numerous vans. This van, the 2015 Ford 3/4 ton, is probably the most perfect van I've found. It gets reasonable gas mileage. The EcoBoost engine is very peppy. And it has stand-up room inside. I built the cabinets custom for what I wanted. It has plywood subflooring. The cabinets are built out of 1-inch thick wall tubing, welded together with angle iron. Everything's custom, so it optimizes the use of space, something that other off-the-shelf cabinetry does not do. You'll notice there's lots of room for storage of small parts, as well as bin boxes right near the door where you need them quickly. Everything I've done to this van has been for fast, efficient work. As I mentioned, it's a full stand-up van. I can stand up straight in here. All the cabinets are at elbow height for working. Up above, I have a safe built in for key logs and master key storage. I have a shelf here for catalogs and manuals. I built in a desk. I put my laptop there, and I can invoice my customers at the time of the job. You'll notice lots of storage of inventory, such as key blanks, safe deposit locks, and safe deposit keys. Has a full power supply with an inverter, charging station. The countertops have great surface. It's easy to keep it organized because it is so big and well thought out. Has a stamping block with letters, a vise. And I've never heard a locksmith say this before, but it's almost too much storage. And everything is easy to get to and visible. I like that about this van. Down below I have a roll-around cart for door installs, lock installs. And I have another one for safe openings. You'll notice it's got a big floor space in here. I can put my welder, generator, put doors in here. Any of the project work that comes up, this van is great for it. In the back here I have my Schlage blue punch. Down below I have a Best IC Core blue punch. I have a full deck of cards for the HPC Blitz code machine. I have an HPC duplicator as well as a separate slotter for safe deposit keys. Safe deposit keys are a very lucrative part of my business. The storage up above here is for long parts such as header bolts. And on the other side, I have the same trough type storage, but I've put in power tools. They seem to fit up there very well, and they're easy to keep handy. The ladders in the back, the cords for electrical power. Let me give you one last scan here. This particular van is the best I've found for working out of for a locksmith.